Peace crochet friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a tutorial on how to make the boxed shell stitch. And here's my sample. This stitch is great for any pattern that calls for you to use a mesh style, such as a market bag or a swimsuit cover-up, anything where you want the look of having these wide spaces in between your shells. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to use this lovely teal green aqua so you guys can see it on the camera. And I'm going to use my clover hook. This is a 5.5 size, but you can use any size hook that you like. Okay. So for this stitch, we're going to use a starting chain in a multiple of 5. So that could be 10, 15, 20, 25, however long you would like to go. So I'm going to start with 15. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. And we're going to add an additional 2 at the end to get started. Okay. So now I'm going to skip the first 3 chains and I'm going to make 1 double crochet in the next space. Okay. And we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet in the next. And we're going to do that all the way to the end of this chain. Okay, so skip 3, 1, 2, 3. Double crochet in the next. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3. Double crochet in the next. Okay, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3. Double crochet in the next. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Double crochet in your last one. So I didn't exactly have 3 to skip down here, but that's okay. All right, so at the end of this row, you're going to have what looks like this. And we are ready for round 2, okay? So chain up, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to turn around. And then we're going to skip the first single crochet, the first stitch here, and then we're going to go into the second one with a double crochet. And you're going to put 5 into this stitch here. 5 double crochet. Not the space, go right into the stitch. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, we're going to do the same thing in this next section here. So skip this stitch here, the first one, and then put 5 double crochet in the next one. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to do that all the way across. So skip over that, skip this first one, and put 5 double crochet in that second stitch here. 1, Okay. And at the end of this row, we're just going to do 1 double crochet in the top of this last stitch. Okay. So at the end of row 2, your work should look like this. Okay. And now we're going to chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn, and now we're ready for round 3. So here we're going to skip the first stitch again, and we're going to do 1 double crochet into the next one. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 3 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet in the next 2. So 1, 2, 3, and then 1 double crochet in these next 2. And we're going to continue that. So again, we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 double crochet in the next 2. 1 and 2. Okay. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 double crochet in the next 2. 1 and 2. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 double crochet. Now I've got 1 stitch here at the end. Okay, so this is what we have. Now to continue on, you're now going to just repeat what we did for round 2 and 3. So let's do one more together. Okay, we're going to chain up 3, 1, 2, 3. So in this next round, we're creating the shells again. Okay, so we're going to skip this first one, and then into this one, the next one, we're going to make the 5 double crochet. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We're going to skip the first stitch, and you're making your 5 double crochet into the second space of that arch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remember here, we're not chaining, but we're going to skip that. We're going to skip over here, and you're making your 5 double crochet in the second stitch of that arch. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, skip this. We're going into the second stitch of the arch and make your next 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. At the end of this row, we're just going to make a double crochet in that last stitch over here. Okay. And it may be kind of hard to find it. Just make sure you're kind of lining yourself up, you know, before you do that last double crochet over here. Make sure it's lining up with what you already have from the previous rows. Okay. So there's our stitch. This is the box shell. All right. So what's going to happen is you're going to have these shells, and then on the alternating row, you're just going to have these 2 double crochets. Okay. And you just continue on. All right, guys, make sure you hit the like and the subscribe. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you get notifications about my new videos, new tutorials, and review videos that we do here on the channel. I do appreciate you for joining me. I'm grateful to have you here. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you are enjoying the box shell stitch and what projects that you made with it. Peace to you.